And still in East Rural St. Andrew, residents of St. Benedict's Heights in Harbour were stranded due to high flood waters. With no end in sight for the rains, the people are appealing for urgent help.
Football field turned swimming pool? This resident went to great lengths to show our news team the depth of the flooded area. The flooding extended to the homes nearby. Again, residents not holding back to demonstrate the magnitude of the problem. Many of them evacuated their homes, which have been inundated with water. This is the result of hours of rain Friday. And if it continues, the people question whether they will have a roof over their heads.
Right now, we're stressed out. We have to move out of my house right now because of the water. Packing up my stuff them.
For morning, I could cross my yard, I could go to my yard, I can say, I phone my passport and I tell you, say, yo, man, look and see the people them surrounding and I tell you, say, a long time live so. Each time when rain fall, it's like the water circle up and down. I want a church that's the water can, when rain fall, that's water can lead out, because none of people live down the sense, but a long time I live here, I need a call for a bigger head, I'm glad to solar bird, see it? So right now, I'm on the road, so right now, I can't cross, I keep going to shop. I'm carrying a coat on me, you can see, because what the family said. I'm need a fence that we can fence off the ball field. We need black, I need steel, I need cement. Right now, I can't buy salad, I can't buy nothing, I'm poor, I need help.
According to residents, flooding is a regular occurrence when it rains. It's the first time, however, they've seen it like this.
Right now, I'm in my neighbor yard, that's just next door from me. It all up on my place up there, so landslide. All kind of things happen. We need help. And we need some serious help like now. I mean next year or the other year or when. We need it like now. Here so now, no vehicle can pass. If anything happen, we can't come out of my yard because the water, they don't let so. We need help. So Mr. Prime Minister, here we're crying at St. Benedict. We really need help.
It could take days before the water subsides. Days could turn to weeks if the rain continues. But for now, all the residents can do is wait and hope that the sun comes out soon.